Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Simon Says Stamp October 2024 card kit. Well, you heard me right. It's October and almost end of year. Now it's the time where we start with our Halloween, fall, holiday theme cards. And here we have a beautiful botanical theme card with fun surprises, not just your regular stamp sets and embossing folders, but we have many new products here, which include some rub-on transfer sheets, rice paper sheets, and lots more. Now, this card kit is called the two-step simple leaves card kit. Here is the inspiration sheet where you will find 6 designs by some really talented designers, and you can also visit the Simon Says Stamp blog page where you will find more card inspiration. Now, every card kit comes with this little piece of information. This is a very thick sheet of paper. It is glossy paper, but I like to store all of these and use them as backings for my die cuts to add dimension. Let's begin with the Tim Holtz Ranger Mini Distress Ink Cube in this shade Scorched Timber. And this is a very beautiful brown, which would be perfect to add a vintagey look to your card. You could pair it with the tiny blending tool pack. This pack of 2 features 4 interchangeable foam tips for applying inks and other mediums to smaller areas. To add a touch of sparkle to your crafting projects, here we have the Simon Says Stamp Positively Dazzling Gems in pastel tones. Now, I love these gemstone mixes and I have used them a lot in my projects. Take a look at the dimension that it provides and the sparkle. I love my projects with a lot of shine and sparkle, and these are absolutely perfect for that. Now here's another set of these dazzling gems that I have in my stash. These are more of the warm tones, perfect for your fall theme cards. Next, we have 2 sheets of rub-on transfers by Craft Consortium. This is called the Botany Boutique Rub-ons. Well, I don't remember using rub-ons on my cards, so this will definitely be a fun thing to do. Now, these come with this wooden stick which helps in adhering the rub-on onto your cardstock. You could also use your bone folders to transfer these rub-ons onto your card fronts. Next, we have this beautiful nature-inspired background embossing folder. It's the Fluted Forest Decor embossing folder that creates beautifully detailed panel featuring an overall design of pine cones, leaves, branches, and flowers. I feel this is one of those embossing folders which you could use throughout the years. Those flowers are perfect for spring. Pine cone is absolutely perfect for your holiday cards, and I feel this is a very versatile embossing folder which would be perfect to use throughout the year. Now, for something really fun and new to me, these are 5 single-sided sheets of Stamperia Secret Diary rice papers. These measure 8 1/4 by 11 3/4, and these are something that I have never used before, and I'm really looking forward to this. These would be perfect for your mixed media projects. I love the floral and botanical designs on these. Look at this window design. I feel this matches perfectly with those rub-on transfers, and well, we could definitely pair these and create something absolutely beautiful. And look at these big, beautiful floral focal point that we could use on our card fronts. I love that each of these features collage of elements, including we have flowers, petals, textures of cardboard, cracked and torn vintage paper, text, paintbrushes, birds, brush strokes, and so much more. I really look forward to using these on all of my projects. Next, for the stamp set that is included in the kit, this is the two-step simple leaf stamp, which is a layering set that features a variety of simple leaf shapes. Now, this is why I like this stamp set, is because you could use this throughout the years. The first layer is the background layer, and the second layer is the veins, the stems, and the outline, which will allow you to add detail and depth to your leaves. Now, this also includes some beautiful sentiments, which are thank you, thankful for you, just saying hi, so very grateful, heartfelt thanks, and you're in my thoughts. Now, included in the kit is a coordinating stencil. Now, if you're someone who does not like using solid stamps to create the background on these leaves, you could definitely use the stencil to ink blend And then you could add these beautiful intricate detailing using embossing powder, or even dark versifine onyx black ink. I feel that would give a perfect detailing to your leaves. There are coordinating dies which are not part of the kit but can be bought separately. Next, we have two envelopes by Simon System. These are A2 size envelopes in the shade metallic green leaf and metallic ivory. I love the shine on these envelopes. Last but not the least, we have some beautiful cardstocks perfectly matched to the botanical theme of this card kit. We have the Simon Says Stamp 100-pound ivory cardstock, we have 100-pound green leaf, and a 100-pound dark chocolate cardstock. That was a look at the Simon Says Stamp October card kit, which is called the Two-Step Simple Leaves card kit. It is an absolutely beautiful botanical themed card kit, not just having the usual stamp sets and embossing folders. We do have coordinating stencils, rub-ons, and some beautiful rice papers, inks, and gemstones. Well, you name it, you have it. This kit would be perfect for cards throughout the year, and I absolutely love the botanical theme on the projects that I will be creating using this card kit. I will leave links to all of the products that you saw in the kit down in the description box below. These will be affiliate links, which means that if you shop using these links, I get a small bit of commission at no cost to you guys. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.